Esta conferencia comenzará a grabarse.
This is English for You, Beginner 2, the Unit 2 and the Lesson 3. Welcome. The contents. In this Lesson 3, the question is, what is this? What is this? Okay. And the contents are common objects, singular and plural nouns, the articles a and an, the personal pronouns for singular and plural objects, the numbers from 11 to 100, and finally, ages. Let's start. As you can see in this question, we have, what is this in English? Okay, this is a question for one object. Okay, so write the words and listen and repeat. Let's learn about this vocabulary, please. So what is this? What is this in English? You have many possibilities. You have a tablet, a flash drive, a Bluetooth headset, or a webcam. What do you decide? It is a tablet. Yes, perfect. A tablet. Very good. So we cross out the tablet. Excellent. Next. What is this in English? It is a webcam. Yes, a webcam. Excellent. We cross out. Number 3. What is this in English? It is a Bluetooth headset. A Bluetooth headset. Continue. What is this in English? What is this? It is a flash drive. A flash drive. Yes, a flash drive. Excellent. Now, more objects. Yeah, we have a smartwatch, a camera, a smart TV, or a cell phone. For example, this picture. What is this in English? It is a smart TV. Yes, a smart TV. Excellent. A smart TV. Next. What is this in English? It is a camera. Yes, a camera. We cross out. Yes. Next, number 7. What is this in English? It is a cell phone, a smartwatch. It is a cell phone. Yes, a cell phone. We cross out the cell phone. And finally, what is this in English? It is a smartwatch. Perfect. Excellent. This is the vocabulary. Continue with this. Okay, we have to write the words, then listen and repeat. What is this in English? An envelope, an email, or an ID card? It is an envelope. Yes, an envelope. Excellent, an envelope. Next picture. What is this in English? Okay, it is an email or an ID card? It is an ID card. Yes, an ID card. And finally, what is this in English? It is an email. An email. Excellent. This is the vocabulary about this. Now let's continue. The articles. Yes, the articles. There are 2 articles, okay, that we use, a or an. Okay, in this case, a or an, only we use in singular, okay? Only in singular. So, what is the difference between them? A is used, okay, before consonant sounds. Before consonant sounds. For example, what is this in English? A tablet. T, consonant sound. Remember the alphabet. T, t, consonant sound. T. And next, N, okay, we use before vowel sounds. Okay, vowel sounds. For example, what is this in English? An envelope. An envelope. Remember the pronunciation here is the vowel sound. So let's see the difference between singular and plural. Remember, singular, only one. Plural, two or more. Can be 3, 10, 9, 8, no problem. Okay? That is in plural. Example of singular. Example of plural. Yes? One, no? One tablet. Here, the numbers, remember? 2 tablets. Another example. That is 1, no? 1, 2, 3, right? 1 flash drive. Remember the vocabulary. 1 flash drive. And 3 flash drives. 3 flash drives. Next, another example. Smartwatch. Remember, a smartwatch. In singular, 1 smartwatch. And here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 smartwatches. 5 smartwatches. So that is the difference between singular and plural. Okay, perfect. So what is the spelling? Pay attention, please, to the next slide. Okay. Another possibility to say that is, remember the article a tablet or a flash drive or a smartwatch. Okay, remember there is another possibility. Perfect. Now let's see the another slide. The plural nouns. Okay, what is the spelling? For example, number 1, for most plural nouns, we have to add s at the end of the noun. For example, webcam, only one, we add s, webcams. Yes, that is one. Plural, no? Webcams. Number 2, for nouns that end in sh, x, s, okay, we have to add es, okay? After these sounds, we have to add es. For example, watch, watch, remember, watch, okay? The plural, watches, okay? Here, watches, watches. So, let's see the personal pronouns for singular and plural objects. For example, remember last unit, remember? For one object, we use it, right? Example, this object, one, only one, okay? In this case would be a cell phone, no? A cell phone or an iPhone, maybe, a cell phone or an iPhone, okay? That is one, only one. And for plural, okay, we use this special pronoun, they, okay? Pronounce, please, they. They we use with 2 or more objects, okay? 2 or more objects in plural. They, plural, it, singular. Excellent. Singular, plural. For example, 3, no? 3 cell phones or 3 iPhones, right? iPhones. Okay. So what is the verb to be in singular and plural? We have to say that. Remember that the verb to be expresses ser, estar in Spanish. No? Remember. For example, in affirmative, we have in affirmative full form. It is an iPhone 6. In contraction, in short form, it's an iPhone 6. In plural, they are iPhone 7. Their iPhone 7. Negative, in full form, it is not an iPhone 6. Contraction 1, it's not an iPhone 6. Contraction 2, it isn't an iPhone 6. In plural, they are not iPhone 7. Contraction 1, they are not iPhone 7. Contraction 2, they aren't iPhone 7. In questions with yes, no question, we say yes, no question because the answer is yes or no, okay? Example, in singular, is it an iPhone 6? Yes, it is. Suppose it's negative. No, it isn't. In plural, are they iPhone 7? Yes, they are. Suppose it's negative. No, they aren't. Double-H questions. We use double-H questions because we need an information, ¿ok? Usamos double-H questions, ¿ok? Para poder averiguar una información, saber una información, ¿ok? For example, what is it? The answer in long form, it is an iPhone 6. Or in contraction, in short, it's an iPhone 6. In plural, what are they? Answer in long form, they are iPhone 7. In short form or contraction, they're iPhone 7. Perfect. Examples. We use what, okay, what to ask about objects in singular or plural form. Remember that what, okay, could be in Spanish qué o cuál, okay? In this case, the meaning is qué. For example, what is it? ¿Qué es esto? Right? What is it? My answer, okay, my answer. We can see the subject. It's a laptop. It's a laptop. Another example. What is it? We have this picture. You know that, you know the answer. It's or it is an envelope. It is an envelope. Or it's an envelope in contraction, no problem. Next. What are they? What are they? In plural, right? Plural. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, plural. My answer, their cameras. Their cameras. Excellent. Look at this, please. Pay attention. Here in plural, as you can see, there is no an. There is no an. Why? In plural form, it is not necessary the article a or an. Okay? Why? Because it's incorrect to say son un cámaras. No, it's incorrect. Okay? Perfect. It's not necessary in plural. Okay, we have to continue with the numbers from 11 to 100. We have to listen and then repeat. For example, we have this 11. Repeat after me, please. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You have two pronunciations, 20 or 20, okay? 20 or 20, depends. And 21, okay? 21, please, or 21. 21, 21. Here we have to pay attention because you can see a symbol here, okay? What do you see? Do you see this symbol? It's the guion, yes, the symbol. Yes, this symbol, okay, we have to use hyphen, okay, a hyphen. In numbers from 21, okay, so from this number, from 21 to 99, you use the hyphen, okay, 2199, okay? Don't forget, no olvidar colocar ello. Now, we continue with the other numbers. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Huh? Perfect. Now, in this case, we can use these numbers, okay, to say the years. Years means años, to say the years as two numbers. For example, okay, 1997. Okay, we can say 2 by 2, 19 and 97. Another example, this year, 2018, 2018. Okay, so there is another way. It's simple. And also these numbers are used to say the age. Age, pronunciation please, age. Age means edad. We have to use the verb to be, the verb be plus the age plus years old. But remember that years old is optional. It's not necessary to use and to write years old in all. No, not necessary. Okay, depends, up to you. For example, I'm 20 years old. Okay, I'm 20 years old. Tengo 20 años. Okay. And for example, if I refer to an object, okay, an object, for example, I want to say, okay, uy, esto tiene 100 años. It is, yeah, it is 100, okay, or it is 100 years old, depends, okay, perfect. Now let's continue with numbers. Aha, we go to basic math symbols. Remember our course of math. Oh, we have this symbol. The symbol name is this, plus. Repeat after me, plus. This symbol, minus. This symbol, times. And this symbol, divided by. One more time. Plus, minus, times, divided by. Yes, perfect. Obviously, plus is the symbol name for the addition. Minus is the symbol name for the subtraction. Times is the symbol, okay, for multiplication. And divided by is the symbol for a division. Okay, perfect. So my example will be 10 plus 2 equals 12. 10 minus 2 equals 8. 10 times 2 equals 20. 10 divided 2 equals 5. Yes. So we have to choose what is the correct symbol, okay, for these operations, okay? Come on. 35, 7 equals 5. 35 and 7. What do you say? Yeah, you are very intelligent. Come on. 35 divided by 7 equals 5. Yes. 100, and then we have 10 equals 90. 100 minus 10 equals 90. 25 times 3 equals 75. And finally, 40, 20 equals 60. 40 plus 20 equals 60. Yes, these are our math operations. Continue with more examples. We have to match the numbers to remember, okay? Example here, please. Help me, help me. Yeah, I help you first. 26, 45. Yeah, now you. 37. Continue. 17. Continue. 82. Yes, the next. 59. Another. 64. Perfect. Continue. 50. Yeah. Next. 78. Excellent. Continue. 97. Perfect. Two more. 19. Yeah, and the last one. 15. Perfect. Now you have to practice. Okay. Let's talk about the ages. Remember ages? Okay, edades, right? Remember. We have to match the questions to the pictures. Okay. We have 5 questions. How old are you? How old is he? How old is she? How old is it? And how old are they? Okay. For example, let's look at the pictures, right? Let's look at the pictures. Yeah. For example, the question number 1. How old are you? Okay. What picture is it? A, B, C, D, or E? How old are you? Te pregunto a ti. ¿Cuántos años tienes tú? Yes. For example, in this case, what is the picture? Aha, this is the picture, ¿no? Face to face, ahí de frente le pregunta, right? For example, in an interview, en una entrevista, right? How old are you? Another, number 2, how old is he? How old is he? I'm talking about a man. In this case, how old is he? No, this person asked to another. No, how old is he? Right, he. Okay. Next, how old is she? About a woman. Yes, how old is she? We don't know. Look at the surgery, right? Number 4, how old is it? How old is it? Remember, it is one object. One, only one. For example, a car. Yes, only one. And finally, we have a lot of telephones, right? How old are they? Yes, how old are they? Next. We have the use of the verb to be to express ages. For example, remember that the verb be is used to express tener, okay, ojo, tener, in Spanish, but for ages, para edades, okay, para edades. We have to complete a grammar box with are, or is, okay? We have to use contractions. For example, here in affirmative, I say I'm 27, okay? You're 21 years old. Come on, here, they 100 years old. Come on, what do I use? Are, or is in contraction? Well, I use they're, yes, they're 100 years old. Here, he 45. I use the contraction, the verb to be, his. He's 45. She 11 years old. She 11 years old. She's 11 years old. It 10. It's 10. Perfect. Let's go in negative. I'm not 37 years old. You aren't 30. Come on, continue here. They 80. In negative, they aren't 80. Yes. He 35 years old. He in negative, come on. Verb to be negative. He's not 35 years old. Correct. She 12. She's not 12. It 10 years old. It's not 10 years old. Perfect. Okay? That is the use of the verb be to express ages. Now let's continue and practice. Yes, let's practice this. We have to change the bold words for a pronoun. Okay? The bold words, vamos a poner a cambiar, okay, por un pronombre, it o they. Example, Toshiba. Toshiba is Japanese. We have to change Toshiba, okay, for a pronoun it or a pronoun they. Okay, Toshiba, singular, right? Only one Toshiba. It with a verb to be, it's Japanese. Paella is from Spain. I want to replace paella. Come on, paella, it or they? Paella is it. Yes, because it's only one. Okay, es una comida. It's is from Spain. IBM and Apple are Canadian. Number 3 is it or they. IBM and Apple, 2 companies. They aren't Canadian. Nissan and Toyota are Japanese. Okay, here, they are Japanese. Correct, they are Japanese. Now we have to write a or an where necessary. Where necessary. Look at here. Camera, Apple, email, flash drives. Only where necessary. Look at here. A or an, remember, is only for singular. Number 1. A camera. Remember, a camera. Now come on here. Apple. Apple. Consonant sound or vowel sound? Vowel sound. An apple. Email. Email. Consonant sound or vowel sound? Vowel sound. An email. Flash drives. Singular or plural? Remember the S. It's plural, so it's not necessary. Not necessary a or a. No. Continue. Eraser. Eraser. Consonant sound or vowel sound? It has vowel sound, right? So I use an eraser. Sandwiches. Sandwiches. Is necessary a or no? No necessary because it's plural. Yeah. ID card. ID card. ID card. Consonant sound or vowel sound? Has vowel sound, right? An ID card. Book. Book. Consonant sound or vowel sound? Consonant sound. Yes, correct. A book. Perfect. Now let's continue. We have to write questions and answers. For example, about this picture, okay? Yes. What? And the answer is it's. So we have to complete the question. What is singular? Is singular, it's only one. So, what is it? The answer, it's an ID card. Okay, what is it? It's an ID card. Another? Plural. For plural, the question, what are they? What are they? The answer, their cell phones. Remember, plural. The another, only one, singular. Similar, right? Similar. What is it? What is it? The answer, it's a webcam, no? Webcam. Consonant sound. So that's we use a. So here ID card has vowel sound. So we use an. Correct. Continue. We have to write questions and answers about ages. Come on, this picture. How old? How old? Singular or plural? It's plural, right? So how old? How old are they? And my answer, well, they are 60 years old, right? 60 years old. Next, singular. My question, how old is it? The answer, it's 90 years old. Another, we see a man. My question, how old is he? He's 40. He's 40. Okay, perfect. That's the end of the lesson. Thank you so much. Now go to your workbook and solve the exercises about lesson 3.